How to log in Instagram using Chrome browser. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Instagram account using your Chrome browser. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your Google browser or Chrome browser. So once you're inside here, simply search in for instagram.com, and once you search in for instagram.com, you will be redirected to this page where you will have to enter your phone number, registered phone number, username or email. So once you enter your email like this, for example in this case I'm using email, so once you enter it, you will have to enter your password which you used to log into your account, and simply click on login button. If you don't have an account, you can simply create a new account by clicking the sign up button over here. So once you do fill up all of your information over here, simply click on login button over here, and then you will be redirected to this page where you will be officially logged into your account.
So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.